Hi, these are OneOdio A71 wired over ear headphones. They come in a little box like this. Let's see what all is in the package. OneOdio A71 headphones are in a black bag, the material of which is very nice to the touch and is also slightly stretchable. At first glance, I was pleased that they can be folded nicely, which is nice when you take them with you in your bag or something like that. Another plus is that the ear cups can be rotated 90 degrees, so they will be good for single ear monitoring. The ear cups are nicely padded and let air through when squeezed. And there are two types of connectors. In the right ear cup, there is an input for a 3.5mm, and in the left one is the input for the 6.35mm jack, which is the standard for recording studio equipment. The headband is adjustable, which is but commonplace with almost all headphones. The headband is padded on the bottom, so they should be comfortable to wear. Both types of cables are also included in the package. The 6.35mm jack cable is also partly a coil cable, which is nice when working in the studio, as there are a lot of different cables in the studio and they tend to get tangled up. This cable has 6.35 on one end and a 3.5mm jack on the other end. The other cable is 3.5 to 3.5mm. Unlike the first cable, this one is not a coil cable. However, it does have a built-in microphone and a play or pause button. So you can also use it with your smartphone to make phone calls. Both cables are detachable, which is an undeniable advantage over many other headphones in this price range. It can happen that you accidentally damage the cable, in which case you just need to replace the cable and not the whole headset. So far, so good. In addition, there is a clear manual in the box. I will discuss my user experience in the next video. I have to test the headphones well first. Thank you for watching.